Yeah, you don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. Yeah, you don't even know. These 16 bars cost 16 cars. Kiss these balls, bitch, we stars. Fuck that shit, you ain't hot like Prince. Got a little shine, but not like this. Time crumbles when a jet black M5 rumbles. All from what I did last summer. But motherfuckers forget till I'm back up on the set and every motherfucking jump shot wet. Same outfit every day like a cartoon. They'll never find you in a shark suit, and there will never be a part 2. Shit, you're looking at some motherfucking art, boo. Two pumps from the inhaler got me feeling like Lawrence Taylor. 2 kisses on the cheek from my tailor. I got the soul of an Amazon healer. Better be sure to put them cameras on. Turn dreams into real shit. Yeah, I might be sick. Sitting courtside, I'm likely lit. Draw blood, I'm already made. But little man will cut your face like wedding cake. You don't even know me. 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 Switching lanes on these bitches like I'm switching lanes on these bitches like watch the 5th wheel fall. From this top floor view I can see it all. Yeah, man. From this top floor view I can see it all. I can see it all. I started clapping when the chef brought the duck to the table. That shit was shining like an angel. I never trust a dude named Angel. Long steel 4/5, turn him to an angel. The sky opened up and down came me. Young AB floating in a jag from the 80s. Tan like I just left Haiti. Looking like I had mad plastic surgery. They turned Bam Bam Chinese, and that's fine by me. Shit, I need some time to realign my chi. So bitch, please pass that bomb by C before I get upset. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know me.
มาแวะกินส้มตำด้วยอ้ายส้มตำแซ่บ